Bit of olive oil, you know what I mean? Get a bit of juicy in there and all, you know what I mean, mate? Lovely.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be cooking. What am I cooking? Don't worry about my nails, I had to cut them. What am I gonna be cooking? I'm gonna make you guys some meatballs with some potatoes. I was gonna say chips, but no. With some chopped potatoes. So stay tuned, see how it goes. And make sure you drop me one of these at the end of the video. But before we go any further, I need you guys to smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit a like, subscribe. I've already said that like maybe twice. Move over to Instagram, follow me on Instagram, MosToosifar as well. And now we can begin the show. So, guys, before we start, let me just turn on the oven, get it on preheat. I got 4 potatoes. All I'm gonna do is chop them up. Right, make it into like a potato wedge, okay? Do it as best as you possibly can. Chuck it in there, right? And then we move on. Yeah, that's it. Simple as. Get it all in there. Move that over. Now, you want to season it. What do you want to season it with? First thing, obviously, pinch of salt. You want to get a pinch of black pepper in there. I'm going to put a bit of turmeric in there just to give it some colour. Okay, because I don't like the plain colour of potatoes. When you want to eat it, I prefer it to be like nice, bright colours. Some paprika. Go on, mate, get in there, mate. Go on, mate, have a bit of that, alright? Yeah, lovely, Joe. That's a bit too much. Got carried away there. And obviously you want to give it a bit of olive oil, you know what I mean? Get a bit of juicy in there and all, you know what I mean, mate? Lovely. Now you just want to get a big spoon, and then you just want to toss everything about within this bowl, right? Get things going. Make sure it's not, you know, stuck together. One side coated, one side uncoated. Make sure it's all there. All right. Make sure you give it all of that. Give it some, will ya? You know what I mean? Look at that. Just look at that. Saucy, mate. Saucy. Go on. Go on. That's it. Do you know what? If I had some like parsley or something else, a bit of herbs going in here would give it a nice kick as well, but I don't have any. So if you do have that at home, I did forget to obviously get it from the supermarket. If you guys got that at home, do so, add it on, because it will be nice and it will look nice as well as taste, obviously, a bit of both. Get your baking tray, right? Voila, look at that. Get the sauce in there and all, right? Whack it all in there, love. Lovely, jubbly. Now what you want to do is pattern it all out, yeah? Leave it all singly. You don't want none of them to overlap each other, because you don't want one to be like soggy and soft and all of that, and then one to be like crispy and dry or whatever. So, these bad boys are going to take forever. Do you guys see any overlapping that I don't see? If you do, let me know in the comments below, yeah? Even though we're too late, but still. We do appreciate a bit of comments going on, a bit of likes, a bit of subscribers and all of that. Happy days. Let's put this bad boy in the oven, alright? Kaboom! What you want to do is just pour a tiny bit of oil. There you go, that's good. And now, all you want to do is get your meatballs and just chuck it in there. Yeah, just be gentle. Make sure they're not stuck together. If they are stuck together, obviously separate them. Duh, right? Yeah. There you go. Happy days. You're not gonna add nothing to it yet. As in, you're not gonna put any marinade, any salt, pepper, none of that. Not yet. Right, ladies and gentlemen, obviously as you can see, I put the lid on. Give it a final little stir. Look at that. Can you guys see that, or is it still steaming? Okay. Right? We're good, we're good. All we're gonna do now is get our double cream, right? Turn it down, guys. Turn it down. Pour that cream in. Okay. Put it on it. Submerge it within the cream, right? Turn it, make sure it's low. And this point is where you add your pepper, pinch of salt, and then you get some Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle it. Yeah. There you go. Now, give everything a little stir. And so, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looks like. This lovely beauty, your saucy meatballs, creamy meatballs, and we've got our potatoes in the oven. So all you want to do now is switch this off. I've turned off the oven. They are ready. Oh boy. What you want to do is get your meatballs in there, a few at a time. Right. Try not to make a huge mess out of it. Right. We'll put one more in. Look at that. We'll save the sauce for later. Yeah. There's that. And then what you want to do is, this is hot, so get your chip. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Get your portion, get your, yeah, good, they're not stuck anymore, amazing. Just stick it down on the side, not that burnt one really, don't want to show that in the video, do I? Get a bit of that, get a bit of that, just get it all in there. Yeah. These, ladies and gentlemen, outside are nice and crispy, whereas on the inside, all smushy and soft. Happy days, can't go wrong. I cannot fault it. Right, now, you want to get 3 pieces of bread and all, just like so. Just spread it out a little bit, just to spread out a little bit, just so you can more or less fill up the plate. You can add vegetables to this if you do prefer, but me personally, no, I'm good. Oh, almost forgot. The sauce, guys. The creamy sauce. You wanna get a dab. Go over the meatballs. Yeah? Don't be shy with it, you're good. Okay? And then give it a final pinch of Parmesan on top. There you are, voila. Bon appetit guys, that is your meatballs, potatoes and bread. I'll see you next time. Make sure you share, like and subscribe to the channel guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come